In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping in Roblox. At first, check your internet speed. Open your browser on your phone or computer. Search speed test in the search bar. Use the Google speed test or Ookla speed test. Run the speed test and check your latency. Lower ping is better. If your ping is high, continue with the next steps. Restart your modem or router. Unplug the power. Wait for 30 seconds and then plug in it back. Check your connection again after the restart. If it also doesn't help, contact your ISP. They might be experiencing issues in your area. If it also doesn't help, close the background apps. On Windows, go to the search bar and type background apps. Open background apps settings. Turn off the slider to prevent apps from eating up your internet bandwidth. If it also doesn't help, then disable automatic updates. Go to the search bar and type system updates. Open Windows Update settings. Turn off automatic updates to avoid background downloads. If it also doesn't help, then turn off any third-party antivirus. If you are using third-party antivirus software like Avast, Kaspersky, and Norton, temporarily disable it. Check if the game runs smoothly. If it also doesn't help, then use the Ethernet cable. For a more stable connection, use an Ethernet cable from your modem or router to your PC. If you don't have an Ethernet cable, move closer to your router for better Wi-Fi signal strength. If it also doesn't help, then flush DNS cache. Go to search bar and type cmd. Run command prompt as administrator. Type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. Exit the command prompt and check whether the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then you have to change the DNS server. Right-click on the network icon in the taskbar. Select Open Network and Internet Settings. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on your active connection and select Properties. Double-click on IPv4. Use the following DNS server address and enter. Preferred DNS server 8.8.8.8. Alternative DNS server 8.8.4.4. This is Google DNS. You can also try Cloudflare DNS like 1.1.1.1, and for alternative DNS server, use 1.0.0.1. Click OK and close all windows. Restart your computer and check Roblox again. If the issue still continues, it might be an ISP issues. Contact them for further assistance. That's it. Now you know how to fix high ping issues in Roblox. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.